Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nur Learner Masood. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Oracle Apex 23.1 and related softwares, their installation and configuration. Before the installation of Oracle Apex, we must have installed Oracle Database 19c on our Linux machine. Actually, I'm going to work on Linux machine, Oracle Linux 7.9. Okay, fine. Before starting Oracle Apex installation, uh, I'm going to show you something. Uh, as you can see, here is a list of software that I have already downloaded from the official website. You see, uh, here is our Oracle Apex 23.1 and Apache Tomcat 9 and GRI 2.7, Jasper Report 6.16, JDK 11, ORDS 22 point something. Okay, at first we'll install Oracle Apex and then ORDS, uh, ORDS or JDK. After that, after completing our Oracle Apex, and then we'll install JDK, and after that we'll install ORDS, and then we'll install Apache Tomcat 9, and finally we'll install JRI and related configurations. Okay, I do not want to download it again. Um, I hope you can download from the official website. And if you face any problem, contact me. I will provide you all the software from the list. Okay, now let's start. At first, we're going to install Oracle Apex 23.1. I have a documentation. Actually, I'm going to follow these all from the top to bottom, and I hope you will follow the step by step. Okay, so let's go to our Oracle Linux machine. So I'm going to my VM. Actually, sorry, VMware workstation, and I'm going to access with my password, Oracle password. At first, maybe we can check our IP address. If config, okay, let's move to top. You see, this is our IP address, private IP address actually, and I'm I'm going to check my listener, is it running or not. lsnrctl status. Okay, my listener and service is running fine. And then I can check uh, tns ping orcl. It's also fine. tns ping orcl pdb. It's doing fine. Now, okay, and I'm going to root and move to U01. Actually, all software put here. I need Apache Tomcat, Oracle Apex, JDK, okay, GRI, and ORDS. Okay, let's upload them. Okay, it's processing. Move to U01. Let's check it. We have all the software here. Fine. I am going to just unzip Apex. It's completed. Now I'm going to clear it, and let's check again by ls, and we see Apex folder, and I'm going to move into uh, Apex, and let's check again, and it's fine. Now I'm going to start scale plus again, access through 6dba, and again alter, just show con name. Okay, clscr for clearing all, and alter session set container orcl pdb. Okay, and okay, fine, let's check again. Show con name. We see our container is orcl pdb. Now we'll install our Oracle Apex, and just check our documentation. Here we see at first we have created a table space for our Oracle Apex data file and metadata. Okay, so I'm going to just copy it. First of all, I'm going to check my um, path. Just if we browse through GUI, just click and just check, check for surety. Okay, and where am I going to data overcl and overcl pdb, and we see other db file. Okay, other db file we check our path. You see u01 data varcl pdb, and just check data varcl pdb. Everything is fine. I do not want to change anything. Just copy it and paste it on my terminal. Paste, and you see our db file is already created here. Okay, let's start installation of our Oracle Apex. See our documentation. We have this command. Okay, just copy this, and actually I want to put it left side and my Linux machine right side. Okay, now it's easy to see my documentation and my terminal. Okay, so paste it here and just enter. Our installation is going on. Okay, actually it will take much more time, depends on our PC configuration. And Oracle installation complete. Now I'm going to follow my next step. My next step is change our password, admin password. Okay, and if we just type apx change pwd password sql. Okay, I'm going to leave it default. Okay, then maybe email default, and password. It's important, you must remember it, and it's very needed when we will access to our workspace by the internal user. Okay, so let's type password. Okay, my password has been changed successfully, and as we are going to use REST service, that is why I'm going to run this command also. And paste it here and enter, and Apex listener user. Okay, one thing here I suggest you should maintain same password for all the DBA users like Apex listener, Apex public user, and other user. Okay, so now I'm going to set my Apex listener password, Apex rest public user. Okay, fine. Our Oracle Apex 23.1 has been installed successfully. Okay, now we're going to install and configure maybe Java or JDK, and let's move to CD U01. Okay, now I'm going to install JDK. For installing JDK, maybe I have to set some environment variable. First of all, I'm going to just unzip it, or .g file for unzip. At first, I'm going to type tar and execute zip file and JDK and press tab. Okay, press enter. Now let's check. Okay, we see our JDK 11.0.19. Okay, now let's move to our next step, and we have to set environment variable. We can set this set env.sh or .bash profile. Okay, I'm going to set it on bash profile file. So we have bash profile file on our uh, Oracle home/Oracle directory. So let's check it and open it. I'm going to open it by vim or vi, vi and root home Oracle and dot bash underscore profile. Okay, we see. Okay, press I or going to edit mode and just type export java underscore home slash our JDK folder, maybe U01 and JDK hyphen 11.0.19. Okay, and export export path, yes, export path java underscore home bin. Okay, it must be before other path. I'm going to include path variable. Okay, that's it, and press escape and shift colon W and write and quit. Okay, press enter. Before I refresh it, I'm going to check my Java, just Java hyphen version. See our old version 1.8 JDK. Okay, if I refresh dot and bash, oh sorry, and must be access directory profile. Okay, fine. Now let's check again Java version. Okay, we see our Java 11 has been updated successfully. Okay, okay, fine. And now we are going to next step. Next step, we are going to set another some environment variable on our .bash profile. Okay, so again I'm going to open my .bash profile. Actually, we are following this step. That is why uh, actually we are following the steps. Okay, so I'm going to open the bash profile file again. Home Oracle is situated at home Oracle directory. So dot bash underscore profile. Okay, enter press and press I, move one step down, and now I'm going to type export ORDS underscore home, and here as you can see our maybe our ORDS folder will be on user1 folder or directory. So I'm going to set my path u01 and ORDS. Okay, and press enter. Export ORDS underscore config, and maybe I can use dollar ORDS underscore home slash and config. Excuse me, and config escape colon right and quit. Okay, now let's check. Now to clear all this and check again, and here as you can see we have ORDS 22 point here. Okay, fine. First of all, I'm going to create a directory for ORDS mkdir sorry, and mkdir. We don't have any ORDS directory in our user1 directory. At first, I'm going to create my ORDS directory here. Press enter and move move ORDS 22.1 into our ORDS folder. So cd, not necessary to type cd. Actually, I'm going to move it. mv for move, and move 1 ORDS hyphen 22 gif to u01 ORDS. Okay, let's check it. ORDS, as you see. Now I'm going to unzip it. ORDS. Okay, just clear all this and see our file and folder here, and I'm going to create a directory. So mkdir name it config. Okay, fine. Now if we uh, mm, type echo dollar ORDS underscore home, we don't see any path, so maybe I have forgotten to refresh it. So excuse me, and not cd dot home oracle slash bash profile. Okay, let's check it again. We see our path, and if we check ORDS config and see our config, ORDS and config directory that we have already created. And okay, fine. Now I'm going to just copy it from my document and paste it here and just press enter. Okay, fine. Here is some option. I'm going to choose number 2, create or upgrade a database pool and install upgrade ORDS in the database. We see choose one already as set as default, so just press enter. And also just enter because we are going to get one, okay, for basic. Okay, just press enter, and we type our basic information like localhost. I'm going to type my IP, and my IP maybe 7, and actually I have forgotten that. Maybe we can check it, config, and we see 131, last one 131. Okay, fine. Let's enter, and I'm going to leave it as default port 1521, and our service name is ORCLPDB. Okay, press enter, and we must give our administrator username, that is sys user. Okay, that sys, and as sysdpa. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to type my password, and I hope we have next step. Okay, here you see enter the default table space for ORDS metadata or ORDS public user. Okay, we know that we have already created table space for Oracle Apex. name is Oracle Apex. So I'm going to type Apex as our table space name and temp or temp and just enter, and here I'm going to choose one, leave it default. And here is an important thing: if we want to use uh, any server like Tomcat and WebLogic, then we must skip from here. And if we want to use Oracle Apex in standalone mode, and then we can choose one. As I'm going to configure my Oracle Apex with Tomcat server, that's why I'm going to skip it. Just type 2. Okay, press enter. Now we see our installation is going on. Okay, installation is completed successfully. Then we now we are going to set last environment or ORDS. So I'm going to open my bash profile file, Oracle bash profile, and maybe press I for going to edit mode. Okay, fine. I see. Is it possible to copy this? I don't know. Sometime misbehave. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Set. Now escape it and just right and quit. Okay, and refresh. Just okay dot and press enter, and we can check it by echo dollar java underscore opts. Oh, we see our path is set successfully, and next we are going to install and configuration of our Apache Tomcat 9. Okay, let's move to u01 directory and cd dot dot. Okay, clear, and let's check it. Our Apache Tomcat is here, and now I'm going to unzip it. For unzip tar x. Okay, maybe some wrong here. Execute zip file. Okay, Apache, enter. Let's check it, and I'm going to create a directory, mk dir, name it Tomcat, and I'm going to move all the file and folder from Apache Tomcat 9.0.422 our Tomcat. Okay, let's do it. And for this I'm going to type mb for move slash u01 and um, u01 and Apache. Okay, star for all, and it will move to u01 and Tomcat. Okay, just press enter and let's check cd Tomcat and ls. Okay, just oh, you see our Apache Tomcat folder is still now available. So I'm going to rm for remove -r and Apache Tomcat. Press enter. Let's check again. It has been gone. Okay, now clear. And let's check our documentation. And okay, fine. Now I'm going to set some more environment variable. Let's do it. B home oracle /bash profile, and just copy this and press hyper, going to edit mode and press enter. Okay, and escape, write and quit. Sorry, write and quit, and just going to execute it, refresh or execute it. Okay, fine. We can check it. Echo and echo dollar Catalina home. Let's see Tomcat path. Okay, now I am going to move to my bin folder for startup our Tomcat server. So move to cd dollar Catalina home /bin. Let's check, and as such startup search. I see our Tomcat server successfully started. Now we can check it from our browser. I'm going to check it from my host. And maybe change it and 131 and 8080. It's default port. Let's check it, and we see our Tomcat server successfully installed. And now I can configure some other thing like actually we are going to change our port number, default port number, and access to manage our application. Okay, let's do some configuration. Our directory may be tomcat users.xml. Here we see a directory. Okay, just we can copy this and cd and paste it here. Okay, let's check. We see our tomcat users here. Okay, fine. We if we want to get more benefit or more easily edit our XML file, we can see this file through our WinSCP. Okay, I'm going to open this file by the help of WinSCP. Okay, so where is our WinSCP? WinSCP is here, and I'm going to root, and from root u01, and just going to refresh it, and we see Tomcat and conf. Here you see Tomcat users XML file, and just double click, and from here just copy one. Okay, move it out from the comment, and maybe it's role manager GUI, and password admin, and sorry, username is admin, and also our I'm going to just for testing purpose, I'm going to password maybe admin, and role or manager GUI. Okay, fine. Let's take it in our documentation. We see manager GUI. Okay, fine, and just save it, close it, and server.xml file. And from here we can change our port number. Okay, we see as you can see here is a default port 8080. I'm going to just change it 3889. Okay, and just save and close it. Okay, let's move to other step, and already changed port number, and if we want to access through uh, browser, then we have more configuration that is situated where it is web and meta enough. Just I'm going to copy it, and sorry, and paste it. Okay, we have context.xml, maybe context.xml, and double click on it, and here I'm going to set my IP address pipeline 192.168.1207 and 131. Okay, let's take it again. Okay, fine, it's fine, and just save and close it. Okay, I can copy this. not copy, and I have to edit another file, that is where is it situated, context, and okay, it's only manager. Okay, it's manager, and just click on it and paste on it, and okay, fine, we can browse it uh, to get the file. So if we go to Tomcat and web apps, we see here is some folder. Actually, we have already host managers IP set, and now we are going to set manager. Click on it and meta enough, and open context XML, and here you see our default IP. Okay, so now I'm going to set 192.168 and 207 and 31131 and save it. Okay, now I'm going to restart my Tomcat server. Is already closed, and cd Tomcat ls cdwin and ls asset shutdown, and let's start again. Start up. Okay, now we can check it again. If we reload this, we see it's reloading and it's not available. Just change port. Okay, fine, we see our port number set successfully, and we can access manager app. Actually, we cannot access through a host browser. If we want to access, we must access through our own PC, server PC. Okay, so let's open server PC browser, maybe Firefox. Just take another tab and manager AP. Click on manager app, and we set username is admin and our password is admin. Okay, just sign it. Don't say. We see our some folder and root and folder. Okay, still we don't see any application here. Now I'm going to move my next step. I've completed successfully completed server configuration and installation. Now here you see our directory, especially Apex images. We have to copy from Apex folder to our web apps. Okay. For doing this, I'm going to create a directory. Let's move to first of all clear it, and maybe move backward, and web apps cd, web apps, and let's check. And I'm going to create a new directory here, mkdir. Directory name is I. Okay, let's check it. We have I directory, and now I'm going to copy my all images into my I directory. Okay, so let's do it. mv for move u01 apex images all. It will move to maybe u01 Tomcat web apps I. Oh, actually I do not want to move. Actually I'm going to copy it. Okay, so just cp, let's press enter. Is copying it. Okay, fine. Okay, let's check. CDI. Okay, or file and folder successfully move. Not move, actually copy. Okay. Okay, Pan. Now I'm going to um, move my ORDS war file. For doing this, I'm going to stop my Tomcat server first. cd Catalina home and slash web apps. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry, I'm going to go bin folder and just shut down our Tomcat server and shut down. Now I'm going to move my ORDS Word file and not move, actually copy. Copy will be Catalina home web apps. Okay, and where it is situated, it is available ORDS home ORDS home ORDS.org cp. Let's press enter and let's check it again. cd dot and cd web apps. Let's check our ords.war file is copied into our web apps. Okay, let's start our Tomcat server. Okay, for doing this, I'm going to back and cdbin and sh startup. Okay, now we can check our Oracle Apex installation. Now we can check our Oracle application. Okay, so type ORDS. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We see 503 service unavailable. Okay, we are going to uh, unlock some DBA users. For doing this, and I can help. Okay, fine. I can help Toad, or you can you can change uh, mm, any editor like SQL developer or Toad. Actually, I'm going to use my Toad. So let's check our DBA users. So select all from DBA. Sorry, DBA underscore users. Just check and where username like percentage apex. Okay, okay, we see apex 23010 is log, and apex public user is log, and apex listener is open. Apex public user is open because we change their password when we have installed our Oracle Apex REST configuration. Okay, I'm going to unlock it. Alter user, and username is Apex, doesn't matter, 2301000, identified by um, mm, account unlock identified. Okay, let's unlock it and just copy it. Sorry, copy this one and paste it here. Okay, my DBA user um, account status is now in open. Okay, let's restart our Tomcat service. So okay, fine, and just start up. Tomcat started. Oh, sorry. First of all, I have to shut it down, and then I'm going to restart it. Okay, now I'm going to check it again. Okay, fine. We see actually like this. Maybe our image is not working. Image folder is not working. Uh, okay, I'm going to copy it again through my WinSCP software. Okay, let's go to Apex folder and just click it and copy all this file and folder and just copy, and let's move to Tomcat. Okay, it's fine. Hmm. Okay, it's fine, but some missing folder here, maybe missing folder. Okay, it just copy our image, not folder. So I'm going to delete all this and yeah, and just paste. Okay, okay. Let's restart our server again. Sh shutdown and restart startup. Okay, let's take again. Let's load it. Okay, fine. We see our expected interface has come, and we'll create a workspace. Before creating workspace, I'm going to create a sample user. Uh, Sample user from here. Create user. Name is RESTMS and RESTMS. Okay, identified by 123 and 123 and account unlock. Okay, grant create session DBA to RESTMS. Okay, let's create user and okay, fine. Now I'm going to access through my internal workspace, internal user admin, and password that we have set when we uh, install our Oracle Apex. Okay, so let's sign it. Okay, neighbor, I'm going to create a workspace. Name is RESTMS and press next, and reuse existing schema. I have already created a schema and I can select from here. We see RESTMS. Okay, press next, and admin maybe username maybe Masud, password some private example.com. Okay, let's move next, and I'm going to create workspace. Okay, done. And manage developer. Yeah, actually I do not want to change my password when first login. Just change it. No, apply change. Our workspace successfully created. Okay, now I'm going to sign out and try to access my new workspace. Mm, okay, fine. Sign in. Okay, okay. We successfully access to our uh, workspace, and from here, app builder, we can create our required application. Okay, let's create a new app. New app, and maybe name it restaurant management, and just check all this. And I do not want to add any pages now. Just create application. It's creating our application. Take a little bit time and waiting. Okay, fine. uh, okay, before running the application, I am going to show you something like status of our application, whether it is successfully installed or not. Let's check about. You see our product build 23.1, and other things is available Apex 23, and our listener Apex listener version 22.1. Okay, okay, fine. Now I can run the application and maybe just log in. Masud. Okay, see, I can successfully log into our new application. Okay, fine. Let's move to our next step. Before moving next step, I'm going to do important task for me. I'm going to start my Tomcat by the help of sh file. Okay, so to do this, I'm going to create a file. I'm going to open it, enter, and uh, dollar oh, dollar Catalina underscore home slash bin. Okay, and then it will startup dot sh. That's it, maybe. Okay, escape, right and quit, and another file name Tomcat underscore stop dot sh, and just like that, Catalina home. It's environment variable reference. Okay, bin and dot shutdown dot sh, right and quit. Okay, let's take it. Message. First of all, check it. Okay, it's showing in the list, and just going to stop it first. Tomcat stop, maybe stop search. Okay, Tomcat is a directory, and return no such file or directory. Okay, it's not available. Okay, so maybe I have missed it somewhere. Let's check it again. vi Tomcat start data search, and I have forgotten to use cd. It was the variable. Okay, and escape, right, and quit, and also open stop data search, and just add cd and escape, right, and quit. Okay, let's check it again. Just asset tomcat underscore stop. Okay, you see it's working fine. Okay, then we can um, start it again. Asset tomcat underscore start dot sh. Successfully started. Okay, then hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. This is Nurul Anwar Masood. Welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and configure Jasper Report and call it from the Oracle Apex. Okay, let's start it. Before starting this, we must download the JRI 2.7.0, that is support Jasper 6.16. Okay, so you can download it from uh, uh, its site GitHub. If we click on it, I'm going to just copy the link and paste it. Okay, fine. You can download it from here, zip file. Okay, and let's move to the next step. As I have already downloaded it on my PC, that is why I do not want to download it again. Okay, so and I have already moved it to my Linux PC by the help of Windows CP. Let's check it where it is available, and cd we see GRI 2.7 here. Okay, um, actually we are going to follow the documentation and step by step. um, First of all, maybe I have to unzip it, and before that I'm going to set environment variable. Okay, um, let's first unzip it, unzip GRI. Okay, let's clear ls, and we see our GRI folder is available on the in the list, and I'm going to short it. For doing this, I have to make a directory mkdir, name it just Jasper. Okay, and move all the file and folder into our Jasper folder. For doing this, I am going to type move mb for move, and it will goes to user one, just sorry, okay, fine, Jasper, and space my source, GRI, 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 and it's all file, move to Jasper folder. Okay, now check it, cd Jasper. Oh no, what am I? Sorry, ls Jasper cd. Maybe I have mistaked the spelling. Jasper. Let's see our file and folder is available into the Jasper folder, and just backward for deleting the existing folder, uh, remove rm hyphen r jri, and let's check it, it has gone. And okay, fine, now I'm going to uh, move to my Jasper folder and see the list, and follow the next step. What I'm gonna do, okay, we are missing a step, and I'm going to set environment variable in our bash profile file. So b u01 and home oracle dot bash profile. Okay, oh sorry, where am I? Just wait, maybe u01. Okay, fine, let's check it. Oh, sorry, mistake here. Actually, it's available on our root. Mistakenly, I have added u01. It's another directory. So it was fine. Just home oracle dot bash profile. We see available variable declare here. Just I'm going to place it. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. Fine. Now I'm going to write and quit and execute it. Okay, sorry. Fine, let's execute and let's check it. Echo dollar java underscore o pts. Okay, and then we see our uh, command uh, next to the ORDS configuration script. Okay, our script started from here. Okay, okay, let's move to do another thing. And now I'm going to go to our bin folder, clear ls and cd bin. Ls here we'll see list of assets or cmd file. And before doing this, I'm going to access my ONSCP, access through ONSCP, because I'm going to rename my Jasper rename jri.or file, and going to Jasper folder bin, not bin, actually it's maybe on the root. Where it is, web apps. Okay, it's web app, and it's web app, and just rename it as Jasper. And I'm going to stop my Tomcat sh tomcat dot tomcat as stop sh. Okay. ls cd home oracle ls tomcat stop stop sh. Okay, and okay, let's copy this and move to our Tomcat folder and web apps and just paste it here. Okay, okay, fine. Let's our next command. Okay, now here clear. Okay, just fix it, use Tomcat web apps. I have already fetched my jasper.org file into the web apps. Okay, so our path is okay, and then actually here will be our uh, Jasper base path. Okay, so just copy it and paste it, enter. Okay, our XML web.xml process is completed successfully. Okay, okay, fine. Acha. Okay, go to configuration directory and open application.properties and set data source and user credentials. Okay, user credentials. Let's move to conf folder. Actually, I'm going to open it by the help of my WinSCP. It is a little bit helpful and can easily edit file, conf, and application properties. Excuse me. Okay. Here you will see JDBC data source configuration. Okay, now here, as you can see, data source here default, and I'm going to set my data source. Okay, data source first will be default and type JDBC, and default name may be default, and URL. Here we're going to set our IP address 168.207 and 131, and my port number 1521, and okay, just slash. Oh, I'm going to use slash. Remember it, it will be slash, and our service name. Our service name is ORCL Okay, next my user. It's our schema name, um, rest ms, and password maybe I type 123. Okay, it's a default. Sometimes we need multiple data sources um, to add. In that case, we have to just copy it and paste it down, and the data source will name it our schema name, or we can name our preferable name. We can use our preferable name, and I'm going to set it rest ms and name it rest ms. Okay, and we will set username, schema name, and password. Okay, so if you need um, more data source, you just copy and set your credentials. Okay, that's it. I'm going to save it and just close it and let's check the next step. And next step, I'm going to encrypt the passwords. Okay, for doing this, I'm going to just copy it and go to my Linux machine. Excuse me. And let's check and just paste it. Okay, not only path, must copy sh command, just paste and press enter. Could not be found. Okay, our configuration file not be found. What is the problem? Properties. Okay, let's check it again. Just I'm going to just copy it and paste it here, and copy this properties. Okay, and encrypt passwords. Let's check bin this command. That's it. Just clear all this ls and paste. Okay, properties. Okay, it's working fine. Let's check it whether it is in it has been encrypted or not. Check. Okay, you see successfully encrypted. Okay, fine. Our Jasper configuration um, done successfully. Okay, let's restart the Tomcat and then Jasper report. Okay, okay, fine. Here I'm going to start Tomcat underscore start dot sh, and maybe now I can check, reload it. We can check by the replace of our ORDS. Our OR file name is Jasper. Let's check it. Okay. You see GRI 2.7 Jasper 6.16 successfully installed, and we see our default data source and rest of data source rest ms. Now I can test whether my Jasper report is running fine or not. Okay, and here we can just test report. Click on test report. Okay, you see our Jasper report has been successfully run. Okay, now I'm going to call it from my Oracle Apex environment. Okay, let's run our Oracle Apex application. Install management. I have already created as a sample. Okay, now uh, before doing this, before calling Jasper report, we know that first of all we have to create a Jasper report by the help of Jasper Studio Shop or lower version, and then you can place it on our Jasper report directory, and then we can call it from our Oracle Apex platform. Okay, I have already created Jasper report by the help of Jasper Soft Studio, and I must compile it. It will create two files. One is Jasper and another is JRXML. Okay, it just run Jasper file. Okay, JRXML file is necessary for editing. Okay, actually in Jasper Soft Studio, I have already designed a sample report here and name it item list.jrxml. Okay, it is maybe situated, located maybe our JasperSoft workspace and my report. Okay, here you see two file is available. It's a compile file, Jasper source file, and it's a JRXML source file. We can edit by the opening this file. Okay, now I'm going to move it to my Jasper report directory. So for doing this, I'm going to paste my path somewhere. Okay, you see item list Jasper and JRXML, and let's a little bit back, and we are Jasper folder or Jasper directory, and you see here is a reports directory. Our all report must be placed here. Okay, and opened it. Uh, you see uh, we have see a test report. This report, actually this report run from the uh, report directory. Okay, this report name is actually test, rep name is test. Okay, let's check it test. So now we're going to move it reports folder, and now we can call it from our Oracle Apex. So I'm going to my page designer and page designer and create a button and the body, name it maybe report panel. Okay, I'm going to just add a button, name it um, print btn, and just going to create a page item, its name category, maybe it will be a list, and save it. List, I'm going to create a list from sketch and it name category is dynamic, and we have two sample table, name category, fine. Now let's move to page number 1 and just change the type. It will be pop-up log category, and such as YouTube, and other thing will be default, and list value share component, and we see our categories and stop just extra values, and other settings will be default. Okay, so let's check it for a little bit correction. Okay, our button is here, and can set my category and stop it. Maybe this will be uh, automatic it, and stretch form button also stretch and little bit large, hot. That's it. Okay, Okay, you see our category is here, and we can run our report. Maybe show report. I'm going to create a dynamic action, name it D for calling Jasper report. Okay, change the action to JavaScript code, and just going to our documentation. I have put some code here for Excel and PDF. I'm going to show just PDF. It's easy. And okay, see report server. Here is a substitution variable, report path. Okay, I'm going to set my report path for convenient. So go to our save it and go to our share component and application definition. Here our substitution variable, and I'm going to just copy report path, and my path will be, just copy it from here, and report path value, and okay, fine. Just change only our IP address and port. IP address and port, Jasper report, that's it. Apply gems and go to phase number 1 and open the JavaScript file. Report server, we have declare list of variable here. See report server, we have call it here, and rep location env local is for our number conversion US, and 28 encode, and here report name. Okay, our report name, what is our report name? Our report name, item list. Okay, so let's change it, item list, and it will be report format will be PDF, and data source. Data source we have configured in our uh, uh, properties, application properties file. Okay, where we set our data source as default and restance. Okay, we can use here default or our expected data source. So I'm going to set it rest ms. Now this is our parameter 1, and I'm going to pass only one parameter from here, that is category, and just category and this is the parameter that is we have set in our uh, report. Okay, let's check it on Jasper Studio data source. What is our parameter name? It will be same. You see, we set our parameter here, p underscore cat id. Okay, we must use uh, same parameter. Okay, and just copy and paste it here. As I have used only one parameter, that is why I don't need other parameters. So delete it, and this variable is param, and I have app1 rep1. Okay, app1 rep1 and other parameter I'm going to delete. Okay, next report server and rep all will be default, and I'm going to just okay and save. So let's check our report. Oracle Apex, just select a category and show report. You see our list is showing successfully. Okay, and you can check parameter from here, item list, format, blah blah. Okay, and if we reload the uh, and just if I run this, see all the file is available here. Okay, if you need Excel file, then you can just change report format, not other things. Okay, just report format, and I suggest you should make a different Jasper file, because we know that Excel file, all data show in a one sheet. Okay, we see that our PDF is multiple pages. Check profile, select the properties, and here you will see ignore pagination. If you click ignore pagination, then it will show only one page, and if you uncheck it, it will show multiple pages. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how to mm, call and download Excel. Just change it as and as XLS. Okay, XLS. Okay, I'm going to just copy another and paste it, and for our Excel we can set our file name. Okay, file name is here. Our file name will be uh, item list. Okay, XLS, and we must add it in the report variable. We just copy it and paste it here. Just and save it. I should create two button, duplicate for XLS, download Excel. Okay, download Excel and duplicate it and Excel. Okay, fine. And it's Excel file. It will be for PDF. So for PDF, we move comment and just comment, maybe run. Fine. Let's check. Okay, we see two button. Now it will find show PDF. Okay, here is a problem. The problem may be don't get variable that I have already replaced. Oh, it's here, and just remove this. Okay, save and run this. Okay, let's show PDF. You see our PDF run and try to download Excel. Okay, item list. Okay, fine. You see Excel. Okay, much more pages it has been added. If you want to get your all data only one sheet, then you must ignore uh, ignore pagination. Okay, that's it. So I hope you have follow the all the steps from the uh, installation of Oracle Apex 23.1, and at last we have successfully call our Jasper report. Okay, fine. I hope you have enjoyed the video and hope you can do the installation configuration of Jasper report and call it from Oracle Apex. And thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next time. Okay, bye bye.